Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. So I've been watching some videos, just seeing what options are out there, and I've decided that I'm perfectly content with the vacuum cleaner I have. And one of the reasons is that it has 5 peak horsepower and a 4-gallon. It's Craftsman, works great. I found through the years of just doing regular vacuuming, and the small canister ones seem to have a lot more power and suction than the bigger ones do. I went on Amazon and I picked up this packet for $8, so I have an extra small tool to get in the crevices. Got an attachment with it for a smaller vacuum. Nice one here with the little hair, smaller for carpets. Another brush attachment. Mine it's loose all the time. And we have a nice one here where you can get in your areas, and nice soft bristle brush. But here's kind of a cool attachment here. This is get that back in there. So you just flip this and you have a nice little tool to get around your small areas. So let's check it out. I have a challenge today. So as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. I'm gonna shut this off, and then we'll edit it, put some music to it, and we'll see what it does. We'll be back. So as you can see, after a couple minutes, carpet's super clean, plenty of suction. I recently saw a video where a guy was talking about a new HEPA filter, you know, dust system and everything. I looked it up on Amazon. It was $600 for a vacuum. I think this vacuum cost me like $80. Still going strong. So it's not always about, you know, the bells and whistles, but it's about the convenience, the brand, you know, and then that peak horsepower. When you look at the lighter areas here and here, you know, it's rubbed from the foot. I'm going to get some cleaner in that just to get some of that dust up, the dirt up there, a little microfiber and my all-purpose cleaner. Any questions? Shoot me an email at detailinginttempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want me to make a video of everything, just shoot me an email, and my next car I'll definitely highlight it. Have a great day, everybody. Be safe.